Guys, it's Foodie Track here. I'll be taste testing Macca's new spicy chicken nuggets with spicy mayo sauce. And I think this was released, I think, in UK about 5 to 6 months ago, and it's released now in Australia. So what I'll do, I'll open up the mayo, spicy mayo, and have a look, guys. Whoop, nearly dripping, got it there. Alright, before I dip it in, I want to taste test the spicy nugget. Slight spice, minimum slight. It's not that spicy, yeah, but I'll try with the mayo, the spicy mayo. Look at that. All right. Yeah, taste is alright. Slightly, it's got the sour taste, but the heatness kicks in. As you dip in more, you can feel the heat. It's worth it. The nuggets, I can't really see any spice. There's a bit of red around there. So that's how the nugget looks up close up. You can just see the redness around there. When you dip in the sauce, it makes it better, tastes better. If I have to rate it, I'll probably give it, I'll probably give it 5 out of 10. Yeah, just the spice makes it taste good, not the nuggets. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification button, and see you next time.